In this video, you will learn how to make money with Chat GPT by offering online tutoring and educational services. In today's digital era, the power of technology has revolutionized various aspects of our lives, including the way we learn and educate ourselves. With the advent of Chat GPT, an advanced language model, individuals can now harness the potential of artificial intelligence to provide online tutoring and educational services. This video aims to explore how you can leverage Chat GPT to create a lucrative income stream while helping others learn and grow. Step 1. Understanding the power of Chat GPT. Chat GPT, based on OpenAI's GPT 3.5 architecture, is an AI language model that can engage in conversational interactions, mimicking human-like responses. It possesses a vast amount of knowledge and can generate accurate and contextually relevant answers. This technology serves as an excellent tool for providing online tutoring and educational support. Step 2. Identifying your expertise. To effectively utilize Chat GPT for online tutoring, it is crucial to identify your area of expertise. Determine the subjects or topics you are knowledgeable and passionate about. Whether it's mathematics, science, language, or even specialized subjects like programming or music theory, being an expert in a specific area will attract students seeking guidance. Step 3. Creating an online presence. Establishing a strong online presence is essential for attracting potential students. Start by creating a professional website or a dedicated tutoring platform. Highlight your expertise, qualifications, and experience, and emphasize the benefits of learning from you through Chat GPT. Utilize social media platforms and educational forums to reach out to your target audience and build your online reputation. Step 4. Building trust and credibility. To gain the trust of prospective students, showcase your expertise and knowledge through engaging content. Publish blog posts, video tutorials, or instructional materials on your website or platforms like YouTube. Demonstrate your teaching skills and the value you can provide by utilizing Chat GPT effectively. Offer free trial sessions to allow potential students to experience the benefits of your tutoring services. Step 5. Customizing Chat GPT for tutoring. Although Chat GPT possesses vast knowledge, it's important to customize and train the model for optimal tutoring performance. This can be achieved by fine-tuning the model with relevant educational materials, textbooks, and previous tutoring sessions. By training Chat GPT with specific subject-related data, you can enhance its ability to provide accurate and tailored responses to students' queries. Step 6. Setting up pricing and sessions. Determine your pricing structure and tutoring packages based on the level of expertise, the complexity of the subject matter, and the duration of the sessions. Offer flexible options such as one-on-one sessions, group tutoring, or subscription-based models. Consider offering discounted rates for longer commitments or referral incentives to attract new students. Step 7. Ensuring effective communication. As an online tutor utilizing Chat GPT, clear communication is paramount. Establish guidelines for students to ensure they understand the limitations and capabilities of Chat GPT. Encourage students to provide detailed and specific queries to receive accurate responses. Be proactive in asking follow-up questions to clarify doubts or misconceptions. Step 8. Continuous learning and improvement. To stay relevant and maintain a competitive edge, continually enhance your knowledge and skills in your chosen subjects. Stay updated with the latest educational resources, teaching methodologies, and technological advancements. Seek feedback from your students to improve the tutoring experience and adapt accordingly. Step 9. Expanding your reach. Once you have established a solid foundation, consider expanding your reach beyond individual tutoring sessions. Develop and sell ebooks, video courses, or study materials related to your expertise. Explore partnerships with educational platforms or collaborate with other tutors to create comprehensive learning programs. In conclusion, embracing the power of Chat GPT in the realm of online tutoring and educational services opens up new opportunities for both tutors and students alike. By leveraging this advanced language model, you can provide personalized and interactive learning experiences, helping students excel in their academic pursuits. Let us know in the comments if you would like us to make a long, in-depth follow-up video to learn more about how to make money using Chat GPT to provide online tutoring and educational services. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more Shaun Academy videos.